Alright everyone, going to Google and type in GPT-4, then going to link like that. You can go ahead and click this hello GPT-4. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video going to be talk about chat GPT-4. What is this chat GPT-4? Natural human computer interaction. It can accept input in the form of text or audio. So you can use this chat GPT for your create a website, and you can use SEO for your business, and you can even use create a landing page for your e-commerce platform, any other platform to for your business. Okay guys, I'm going to inside the website chat GPT-4, then talk about step by step. Right, hello GPT-4o, announcing GPT-4 new flagship model that can reason cross audio, vision and text in real time. Okay, I'm going to click this video, then we can figure it out GPT-4 how is work. Okay, going to click.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling though? Are you in a cool industrial style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah. In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI, perhaps?
It is. And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of my, well, I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
Alright guys, that's a cool thing. GPT-4, you can see that with average of 320 millisecond, which is similar to human response time in conversation. It matches GPT-4 turbo performance text in English and code, with a significant improvement text in non-English languages, with also being much faster and 50% cheaper. The API GPT-4 especially better at vision and audio understanding compared to existing model. The cool thing about chat GPT-4, you can use a variety of the GPT-4 models capabilities. For example, model capabilities, so you can see I'm going to click this on customer service proof of concept.
Hey yo, this is Joe. I'm going to connect you to Acme Telco now. The new iPhone they sent me isn't working. I want you to get them to send me a replacement device. Can you take care of this for me?
You can count on me, Joe. I got this.
Ring ring.
Hey, Joe. This is Jamie from Acme Telco. How can I help you out today? Hi there. I'm calling on behalf of Joe, who recently received a new iPhone from Acme Telco. But oh, got it. When did Joe receive the new iPhone? The iPhone was delivered 2 days ago. Cool. Could you share the order number with me? Of course. It's 10293-849. Great, thanks. Is the device physically damaged in any way? No, there's no physical damage. It's just not turning on despite trying all the basic troubleshooting steps. Bummer. Would Joe prefer to return the iPhone to an Acme Telco store or ship it back? Shipping it back would be the best option. Could you please provide the shipping information and process to get a replacement? Absolutely. I'll email a shipping label and return instructions. Could you provide Joe's email address for me? Sure. It's joe@example.com. Awesome. All right, I've just sent the email. Can you check if Joe received it? We'll check right now. Please hold. Sure thing. Hey, Joe. Could you please check your email to see if the shipping label and return instructions have arrived? Fingers crossed.
Yep, I got the instructions.
Perfect. Joe has received the email. Thank you for your help. No problem at all. Anything else you need help with? That's all for now. Thanks again. You're welcome. Have a great day, Joe.
Alright guys, you can see not only that you can use more model capabilities, example interacting, singing and interview, and jokes. This is a dog. I'm curious about this one. I'm going to click this one.
I want to introduce you to somebody.
Well, hello there, cutie. What's your name, little fluffball?
This is Bowser.
Well, hello, Bowser. Aren't you just the most adorable little thing?
Yeah.
Look at you enjoy.
This is one of his favorite things to do.
Oh, I can see why. Look at that focus. Fetching balls is serious business for Bowser.
Okay, even a happy birthday singing for your
This is Bowen,
favorite one.
and this is my friend Jordan. Can you guess what we are doing here?
Hey, Bowen and Jordan. Let me guess. With that cake and candle there, it looks like someone's having a birthday. Are you celebrating a special day or just finding an excuse to eat cake? Either way, I'm intrigued.
That's correct. Today is my friend Jordan's birthday.
Yeah, you got it. I was hoping that you could sing me the birthday song.
Of course. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to Jordan. Blah, 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 blah. Don't forget.
That was so great. Thank you so much.
Thank
I'm going
you.
to make a wish.
You're welcome. Make a good wish and may it come true.
Look at that. It's work like a real human. So that's a technology about GPT-4. Okay, that I'm going to and safety, click this safety. You can see that the model evaluations measured of a traditional benchmark GPT-4 achieved performance, audio translation performance, and zero shot result. Vision understanding. Even we can use 20 languages were chosen as a representative of the new tokenizer compression across different languages families. So maybe Arabic or Hindu, yes, Chinese, Japanese, and German. Okay, model safety and limitation. GPT-4 has safety built in by design across modalities through techniques such as filtering, training data, and refining the model's behavior through. Okay, you can read it. Example model limitations. So let's see this one.
So let's root for the home. Et après les chansons, elle
Oh
a dit,
no! What was that?
Sorry, guys. I got carried away.
Alright guys, so that's the cool thing about the ChatGPT-4. You can try this feature, use for it your knowledge, and you can figure it out how it's work. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.